Life. What is life? We are on a rock. It's called Earth. Earth is beautiful, surrounded by water, trees, plants, full of life. We as humans are part of nature. But because of stress, because of bills we gotta pay, because your wife left you, we all tend to be stressed. Stress is not good for the body. It can lead to health issues. When's the last time you went to the park and sat down and watched the birds sing? When's the last time you went to the beach? Think about it. Going to the park can make you feel alive again. If you are surrounded by chaos, your mind goes crazy. You start thinking thoughts that you usually don't think. You have to give up. I'm here to tell you, don't give up. You ever seen a dolphin play? Why do dolphins look happy all the time swimming out in the ocean? Because they're free. I'm sure dolphins have issues also, but you can never tell because they're always smiling and playing and laughing. Songbirds, always singing. Even though they're surrounded by predators, hawks, falcons, they still sing. Animals have the ability to put stress aside and live their life. Zebras are the perfect example. Zebras are surrounded by predators like hyenas, African wild dogs, lions. But one thing about zebras is that they're not constantly stressed out. The only time a zebra is stressed is when they're being chased by a lion or hyenas. But when they're not being chased by a predator, they'll chill. Zebras have the ability to turn the stress button on and off. But us humans, we cannot. We just cannot. Hippos. Hippos are very aggressive animals. And they have one motto: don't bother them and they won't bother you. These beautiful animals are huge. They have a bad temper. Their temper is so bad that even crocodiles don't mess with them. Crocodiles, like the Nile crocodile, lives near hippos. Crocodiles will try to eat anything that's in the water except hippos. How about butterflies? When's the last time you saw a butterfly? Butterflies look so peaceful. They first start off as caterpillars. Then they go through a process called metamorphosis and become butterflies. Wow. You gotta ask yourself, can you even feel like a butterfly? Can you even feel like a butterfly? I think you can, but you gotta want it. Do you want it? Do you really want it? That is a hawks, eagles, falcons, owls, majestic creatures, confident creatures, beautiful animals. Besides hunters of the sky, but also make great parents. Did you know that 90% of birds are monogamous? Basically, they get married. Eagles mate for life. Did you know that? Egos mate for life. Why does it seem like animals have their life together, but humans don't? They say humans are the smartest animals on Earth. I don't know. Define smart or intelligent. For instance, which is smarter, a newborn human baby or a newborn snake? Which one will survive in the wild easier? A baby snake or a human baby? A snake. So all humans can't be as smart as animals. It depends on the life stage they're in. An infant that's just born is helpless. They need their parents, preferably both. If a baby is left out in the jungle or the wild, he or she's not gonna survive. But yet, if a snake hatches or a turtle hatches, they're instantly ready for the world without any parents raising them. That's why I ask you, which is smarter, humans or animals? If humans are so smart, then how come we are destroying ourselves and our environment? Why do people litter, throw trash on the ground and in the oceans and lakes and rivers? If we're so smart, why do we do that? Have you seen an elephant up close? There's two types of elephants, Asian elephant and the African elephant. And African elephants tend to have more of a temper. They're both beautiful animals, huge pachyderms. Not just animals, how about plants? How about trees? Flowers, Venus flytrap, a plant that eats bugs, oak trees, mango trees, all type of trees. They're living also. They have cells also. Plants feel emotion. Some plants communicate with each other. Did you know that? I bet you didn't know that. That's why I urge people to go to the park and be one with nature. At least once a week. You'd be surprised how wonderful it's gonna make you feel. There's no excuse for that. No excuse. We are part of nature. We are animals. We are primates. We get our act together. The animals seem like they have their life together. I think animals know exactly why they're put on earth for. And I don't think animals worry about things they have no control over. But us humans, we worry about anything. We worry about bills, about our wives or husbands, if you have a husband. We worry about buying a new house, a new car, getting that job, finishing school. We put a lot of stresses on ourselves, but we don't have to. We don't have to. Some of y'all may feel alone. I'm here to tell you that no need to feel alone. No need to. We are all in this together. We are all in this together. You're not alone. I don't want no one to be depressed out there. I don't want anyone to be depressed or sad. We all have an array of emotions, happy, sad, joy. If you're depressed, please don't stay depressed for long. Turn to your neighbor. They will help you. Please, saying seriously. Until next time.